Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to introduce Huawei's new foldable phone, the Huawei Pura X. This phone offers a truly different experience in the world of foldables. If you love foldable phones, you definitely need to check out the Pura X. Let's dive into all the details. Let's start with the design. The Huawei Pura X opens sideways, unlike traditional foldable phones that open like a book. This provides ease of use and offers a completely different aesthetic. When closed, the phone has a compact and elegant square shape. When you open it, you get a large 6.3-inch OLED display. This display offers a 2504 by 1080 pixel resolution, meaning you get a very sharp and vibrant image. Plus, with a 120 Hz refresh rate, the screen transitions are super smooth. This provides a great experience, especially when playing games or watching videos. I really like the design because it's both elegant and quite durable. On the back, right at the top, there's a triple camera system. Even when the phone is closed, this camera system looks very sleek. There's also a small screen on the back. With this screen, you can check your notifications even when the phone is closed. You can quickly see things like the time, date, messages, and incoming calls. Now, let's talk about the hardware. The Huawei Pura X is powered by Huawei's own Kirin 9000S processor. This processor also supports 5G, meaning you get fast internet speeds for a smooth experience. The phone comes with various RAM and storage options. There's the base model with 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. And for those who need more storage, there's a 12 GB RAM plus 512 gigabytes storage version. The highest end version comes with 16 gigabytes RAM and 1 terabytes of storage. The collection version also features a tri-color leather back and includes satellite communication support, which means you can send emergency messages even without mobile networks. When it comes to the cameras, Huawei is always strong in this area, and the Pura X is no exception. On the back, there's a 50-megapixel main camera with optical image stabilization, OIS, which helps you take clearer, more stable photos. There's also a 40-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens. For selfies, there's a 10.7 megapixels front camera. One of the best features is that you can take high-quality selfies using the rear cameras even when the phone is closed. This is a great feature because generally, rear cameras provide better quality photos. The battery is also quite powerful. The Huawei Pura X has a 4,720 mAh battery, which lasts for a long time. It supports 66-watt fast-wired charging, so you can charge the phone in no time. Plus, it supports 40-watt wireless fast charging, meaning you get a quick charge even wirelessly. When it comes to software, the Huawei Pura X runs on the latest version of Harmony OS. This new version provides a much smoother experience with improved animations and multitasking features that allow you to run multiple apps at once with ease. As for the price, here's the breakdown. Its 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage version costs around $1,035. 12 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage version is priced at $105. 16 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage collection version costs $1,240. 16 GB RAM's 1 TB storage collection version is priced at $1,380. The phone also offers 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, as well as face recognition. In conclusion, the Huawei Pura X stands out with its design, display, cameras, powerful hardware, and software. If you're into foldable phones, this device should definitely be on your radar. What do you think of the Huawei Pura X? Do you think the price is worth it? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.